wanted to show you some wave patterns and wigs of different lengths and talk about them when it might influence your decision-making process of what you're looking for in a wavy wig. Hi, so I am going to show you some wavy wigs. And these are some that are from my personal collection. A few of them are from, all of these you can get at wigs.com. A few of them were gifted to me by wigs.com, and the other two were purchased by me. So I wanted to show you this belle tress Vienna Roast. This is in coconut cream and silver, and this one is called Sugar Cookie with Hazelnut, and it's just beautiful. These colors in here, caramelized and honey colored and with darker rooting. So you can see I haven't even taken the part. She's new. Now that's something to note. I've had this one for a while, and so I've found that the wave pattern is looser. Now this is and it may be caused because this is a heat-friendly fiber on this belle tress. So you can straighten this and curl it. And because I have worn this and washed it and all of that, it is probably heat from the sun, heat from my body. It's looser. So that can happen to a wavy heat-friendly wig. Now, also I have here another heat-friendly. This is Raquel Welch, True to Life Fibers, and her wave pattern is much more relaxed. So if you're not wanting to go curly and you want this just a little bit longer, you can see the Wavy Day. This is shorter, comes up more close to the bottom of my neck. Here, the Wavy Day comes a little bit longer. She's one of my favorites. I wear her a lot. This is Wavy Day from Raquel Welch, and it has a more gentle, you can see here, gentle bends to the hair. So I think it looks very natural. It's kind of like day, the next day hair curl once the curls all start to fall out. This particular one, and you see the difference here, has a lot more, starting to have more twist to it. Wavy, but with a little bit more of a twist. So what I like about this particular one is from Jean Renault. The fibers are absolutely gorgeous. Nice movement, very thin fibers. This is synthetic, so not heat friendly. So what you see is what you're gonna get over and over and over again with this beautiful Jean Renault. And this color is called, this is the Shaded Praline. So it has some nice rooting, but then it's got some pretty like golden colors and ashy colors all mixed in together. Just absolutely beautiful. This on the end is a wave pattern that's much more like it was on round on the barrel, and so it's more curled than a gentle bend and wave like the Wavy Day is more of a gentle bend in the hair. You can see that. You can see the belle tress is moving a little bit more pattern than the Wavy Day. This Jean Renault, more curl, more bend, and then to this is an Aesthetica, and this is Avalon, and an icy blonde, and you can see here a lot more twist and bend to the waves and curls. Feels like it looks like it has a lot more density when you do that with these two patterns. Synthetic, they are not heat friendly. So there you go. This is some of my suggestions of wavy wigs or curls that you might want to go look at this time. They're beautiful. I don't think they ever go out of style. They just look like you put it on and you look like you just walked out of the salon. It's fabulous. Or that you spent hours in the bathroom fixing your hair, and who has hours to do that anymore? So wigs make it very versatile to just run and gun. Pop on your hair and go. No more standing in front of that. If you're the mom, the soccer mom, the kids are going back to school, you want to be able to have fast hair. Take them to the car line if you want to have hair on like that, to go to the PTA meetings, to get there, be the home room mother, whatever it is your role is. These are going to be wonderful additions to give you time back into your life and more time to do what you want to do, like cook. All right, my friends, I'll see you in the next video. Doing my darlings. Bye.